Well, I don't know if you could see the bubble run through the fuel line here, but the EM2 here finally ran, and it ran almost 20 minutes on this tank of fuel. I had it running rich because you could hear it lean out, and it completely emptied this fuel line as it was drawing at the end there. So I'm glad it finally ran. It's too bad that I didn't think to just do the valves the first time I had the head off, and but it had, you know, compression generally, but those valve seats weren't good enough, so every time the valves would turn a little bit, they'd lose their seat, and that's why it would run for a little bit, and then the valves would turn just a little bit, and the seat wouldn't work. And so that's that. If I had remembered to, or if I had just done that when I had the head off the first time, I probably wouldn't have spent so much time futzing with the rest of it. And yeah, it ran a nice time. I'm going to oil this up again, and we'll play with something else, and then next we'll put the governor weights back on and see if it runs with the governor on it. Not real worried because, again, this engine is based on an ungoverned model. And it's 8 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 13 below in the rest of the world today, so it was a nice day, cold day, to try running this engine in case it got a little warm, but it ran real nice, so very excited by that.